It's my honey on OGLs, and this one is as well as a CPA group. These are tool CPA marketing, which you can join. And peradventure you are having any issue with any of this one, I'm here to put you through. So in today's video, what we are going to be doing now, I want to show you how we are going to start making money on OGL. You can as well make it on a CPA group. Well, for the purpose of this video, we are going to use OGR. So what we need to do now, we need to go to Tools. When you get to Tools, you click Smart Links. From Smart Links, from there you are going to see Create a Smart Links. So let's move down. When we move down, we are going to see Create a Smart Links. So what we need to do now, you can see here that I say Create a Smart Link. Here you are going to click Create a Smart Links. When you click Create a Smart Links, you are going to see the basics. You are going to see offer. Here they say enter the names of the smart links for your reference. Then they say this is optional. Here what you are going to be doing here, you can see here that it's saying that a note for personal use, this is optional. This is a redirected URL. It's a URL to be redirected to once the offer has been converted. You also said that twice. Flatter back URL to be redirected to if no offer available. So now, once you have done this one, the next thing now is for us to click an offer. But before then, there is need for you to give an offer for your traffic for free. It is on this note that your traffic will be able to complete any of this exercise so that you start making money. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to go to a platform called hotdeal.com. On the hotdeal.com, this is what we are going to be seeing here. You can see here it says that CRden may help PC games free to keep. Amazon Prime game. Many of our guys like these games. And the most advantages of this thing is that this is free. Get Amazon, post by Shelter88. So now what you now need to do now, we need to click this heading. When you click this heading, it's going to come up like this now. You can see here right now, this deal is going to expire on 26th of March 2026, meaning that from January now through February, through almost March ending, you are free to start playing this game. So which is very awesome. Then you can see that they say here now that the awesome free to keep on a primary games is originally 34.99 pounds, which is a very big money. And this is what I'm going to be offering for you for free. So what we are going to be doing now, we need to copy these links now. We need to copy this URL. When you copy this URL, we need to take it to our platform on there. We need to take it here. It's what we are going to put to where we are getting this put your offer here. We are going to put the URL here. And the moment we put the URL here, is what we are going to lock. We need to get an offer for free. It is this offer that is free that you are going to give to this your traffic for free. And the cost of giving them for free, when they finish this your survey they want to do here, or they want to download app here, it is this offer they are going to take for free. It is a win-win games. So like I told you, I said we need to come to this platform. This platform is called Hot UK Deal. And on this Hot UK Deal, I told you that I come here. This is the offer I choose from a hot UKG. For you to do that, you need to click on the menu here. When I click that menu, then I get this one. And this game now is said it's going to expire on 26th of March, 2026 at 00.59. So what we're going to be doing for this one now, we need to create a landing page. Because I don't want this video to be too long, I've created the landing page. This is the landing page you are seeing here. So you can see here right now, I've already created the landing page. So this is the picture. This is Holland Habit PC game, free to keep, Amazon Prime game. So what I did here, I copy what I done here is just that this picture is what I screenshot. After doing the screenshotting, I came down to this Google site. On the Google site is the where you are going to create your landing page. And how do I get this one? You need to go to Google search bar. When you get to Google search bar, you are going to put because this thing you are going to do here, you can see here that it's in get deal. You should let your deal, whatever it is here, should be able to be resonate with your landing page. So I go to the Google search bar. I put a get a deal button there. From there, I click an image. When I click that image, it's giving something of this nature. This is the one I downloaded. After I downloaded it now, I come back to this website. After I have done that one, the next thing now I will need to do right now is just for me to now click this one. When I click this one, I need to put the button and the URL. The URL I'm going to put now, this is the URL of what I'm going to put here. So I'm going to put this URL here. Once they complete any of the assignment, they are going to come back here. And in the course of coming back here, and they click this button, then they will come back here. And when they come back here, the next thing they will need to do on getting here, you can see that he said this is a remarkable kingdom simulated your game. So we need to click a game. And when they click the game now, they need to start playing the game. You say, build blah blah, available through March 4, 2026 in 32 days. So this game, you are still going to watch it for 32 days. That's just the simple explanation. And I want to believe you are gaining more information from this video. I'm probably sure you are watching this video for the first time. What I will want you to do now, for me, that is not going to cost you any damn, just give me a like and as well give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And in addition, maybe you are watching this channel for the first time. Please just subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So once you have done this one, so the next thing you need to do right now is that so what we need to do now, we need to include the offer that our traffic is going to complete. And this is, let's increase this offer now up to 20. This is 25 here. So what we are saying here right now, you can see this offer is $1.20. And for this one, you need to submit your pins. So you can as well use this one. Then all this one that is having a big something, including this. This is 0.9 cent. This is 1 cent, $1. Then you move down. Then you hide this one so that we'll be able to see all the other one. 82 cents. You can as well use this one. Then let's move this one down as well. So we need to move this down. So move this thing down. Move this thing down. So when we move this thing down now, this is $6.64. You can add this. You can add this one as well. This. And we move this thing down. So this is all this one as more money. So let's forget all those one. So I've already chosen those one. The next thing we need to do right now is just to click for create of smart links. I want to believe that we're enjoying this game, or this video rather. And in as much you are enjoying this video, what I will want you to do right now is just to give me a like and also give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And you will also need to subscribe to this channel, provided you are watching this channel for the first time. And click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So once you have created your landing page, this is your landing page right now. The next thing now we need to do right now, we need to just start running traffic to this offer. So what we now need to do now, the platform we are going to use for this traffic is called Facebook. Facebook, on the Facebook, you are going to write a game, PC game. When you put a PC game there, PC game. I'm going to put it there. When you put it there, just click enter. When you click enter, the next thing now you need to do right now, you need to go to group. Now you click a group. Click on group right now. When you click on this group, you're going to see many group here right now. This group now contains 482,000 members, and each day they are posting 90 posts. This one 170, 137. So what we now need to do now, you need to click on this one, join this, then join those one that is posting games almost 1090 of their post. You see, what is you want you to get some things on this platform. What is 3 plus 4 minus 2? That will be 5 now. So the next thing now, you click submit. When you click submit, you already joined that group. The next thing now, we need to join another group here. Which other group that join? You just need to join a very good platform. A platform that is having more than 12 or 50,000 members. These are the group I can advise you to join. The next thing now is just to join, and after you have joined this group, what you now need to do now is just to start posting on this platform. And after you are posting on this platform and your post is accepted, they will start getting traffic. And the more traffic you get, the more money you are going to make. That's just the simple explanation of smart links on OGR. And I believe of getting enough information from this video. And if you are still having questions, please go to the comment section of this video and put your questions there. When I see those questions, I will do justice to them. For those that are interested in this game, this is the landing page. The moment you click at this landing page, the great deal now, it's going to bring you to this page here. And the moment you get on this page here, what you now need to do right now, you will just need to click deal. And the moment you click deal now, it's going to bring you to this page. And what you now need to do right from when you get here now, the next thing is just to say get a game. And for you to get this game now, you need to click get game. And the moment you click this get game now, this is what is going to bring you into. And you are now seeing that this game now is going to be available for through March 4, 2026, which is almost 32 days from now, which is a new game. This is just the simple explanation of how you can play this game. And I want to believe this is very clear to you. And peradventure you are still having any questions in respect to this game now, just go to the comment section of this video. Just put the questions there. I don't understand this game. I'm going to explain it to you. And at the end of the day, you yourself, you are going to like the game. It's a very good game. You can play it on your PC or laptops. On this note, I want to bring this video to an end. And I want to appreciate you for being with me from the beginning till the end.